Experiencing voicemail problems on T-Mobile? You're not alone. Many users encounter issues with visual voicemail, call forwarding, and synchronization. The most common causes include app glitches, poor cellular signal, or incorrect account settings. Start by force closing the T-Mobile visual voicemail app, toggling airplane mode on and off, or even reinstalling the app. A simple device restart can also resolve many issues. Ensure your device is registered on the T-Mobile network by dialing *4636 on Android to check your IMEI. For call forwarding issues, dial *21 to check your forwarding status and make sure it's correctly configured. These initial steps address the most frequent problems and get you closer to receiving your voicemails reliably. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, try clearing the app cache or resetting your network settings. For persistent problems, especially after international travel, ensure international call forwarding is enabled via the T-Mobile app and that data roaming is active. If a recent T-Mobile or iOS update caused the issue, deleting and re-adding your T-Mobile account in your phone's settings may help. If problems persist, contact T-Mobile support directly. Looking ahead, voicemail is evolving towards AI-driven systems with real-time summaries and integration with smart assistants. T-Mobile is working on zero-latency sync via next-generation networks to minimize these voicemail issues. Keep your app updated to benefit from the latest fixes and enhancements. Also be aware that complaints have risen due to complex integrations. It's important to have your device up to date for compatibility.